Welcome to this video in which I'll be telling you about the final project that you'll complete for APLX 101 due at the end of the quarter. There are 5 main components to the final project, and in this video I'll tell you as much as I can about each one. So first, you'll be reading 2 research articles and writing a review of each. You'll pick a topic or a question and design an infographic about it. You'll listen to 2 podcasts and write a brief summary of each. You'll be writing your own linguistic autobiography, and then you'll be writing a brief reflection about your favorite video from the course. So let's start by talking about the 2 research articles. I'd like you to choose one of the articles, A or B, from the left-hand column, and then one of the articles, A or B, from the right-hand column. These articles are thematically grouped. So after you read each one, you'll write a brief review of about 800 words each. Next, you'll pick a topic or a question or an issue from the field of second language acquisition that could be presented easily in visual form. That's essentially what an infographic is. Now there's hundreds of examples online of infographics, so I encourage you to take a look, but I'll share one with you. This is from a completely different field, from quantum mechanics, but you can see how it's visually attractive and it's not overloaded with text. So there are some theoretical models presented here with dates and then a little bit of text that tells us about the impact and the significance of each model. Third, you'll be listening to 2 podcasts from the Cornell Language Resource Center. Now, you've already listened to one of these podcasts. It's about study abroad, so I don't want you to use that one. That one's already been done. I'd like you to pick 2 more on topics that interest you, and then write a brief summary of each episode. Fourth, you'll be writing your own linguistic autobiography. Now, on this slide, I don't have all of the details about what could be included in your linguistic autobiography. That you can find in Canvas, and I encourage you to take a look there. But at a minimum, in your autobiography, you'll be telling me about your native language and what your second language is, or multiple second languages, what age you began learning those languages and what motivated you, and the context in which you've studied the languages. Finally, I'd like you to pick your favorite video from the course. You may already have one in mind, but we'll be watching a few more. So tell me about your favorite video. Why did you find it so interesting? Why did it speak to you? And what connections did it help you make to the topics that we're studying? So, how and where do you get started on this project? There is a Canvas module. It's the last one in the set. It's called Final Project Resources. And there you will find all 4 research articles in PDF. I'd like you to take a look at those and read the abstracts of all 4 articles and decide which ones you might review. Now, the abstract is just the summary that appears on the first page, but it'll help you get started. And of course, you can change your mind later if you decide to review another one. But for now, this is a good way to get going on this final project. I think that the article reviews will take the longest, so it's not a bad idea to get started on this in the next couple of weeks. See you in class.